Welcome to a healthy and scientific lifestyle.
In this video, we will talk about basic human anatomy and systems in human body. The human body can be studied and understood in terms of various systems, each of which is responsible for specific functions. Here are some of the major systems of the human body: skeletal system, muscular system, cardiovascular system, nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, urinary system, endocrine system, lymphatic system, and reproductive system. To understand how these systems work, you first need to know a little bit about these systems. Number 1. The skeletal system. The skeletal system is the body system that provides structure and support for the body. It consists of bones and joints, which work together to allow movement and protect internal organs. Bones are the hard, calcified tissues that make up the skeleton. They are classified into 4 types: long bones, short bones, flat bones, and irregular bones. Bones are connected to each other at joints, which allow movement. The skeletal system also plays a number of important roles in the body. It provides support and protection for internal organs, helps maintain posture and balance, and produces blood cells in the bone marrow. Number 2. The muscular system. The muscular system is the body system that is responsible for movement and the maintenance of posture. It consists of muscles, which are tissues that contract and relax to produce movement. There are 3 main types of muscles in the body: skeletal muscles, cardiac muscles, and smooth muscles. Muscles work in pairs, with one muscle contracting while the other relaxes. This allows for movement in various directions. Muscles also work together with bones and joints to maintain posture and balance. They help regulate blood pressure, produce heat, and store energy in the form of glycogen. They also protect against injury and help repair damaged tissue. Number 3. The cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system is the body system that is responsible for transporting oxygen, nutrients, and hormones to cells and removing waste products from the body. It consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. The heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood throughout the body. Blood vessels are the tubes that carry blood throughout the body, and blood is the fluid that circulates through the body in the blood vessels. The cardiovascular system is essential for the functioning of the body. It ensures that all of the body's cells receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to survive and function properly. It also helps remove waste products and maintain a healthy balance of fluids in the body. Number 4. The nervous system. The nervous system is the body system that is responsible for the control and coordination of body functions. It consists of the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The brain is the control center of the nervous system. It receives and processes information from the senses and sends out commands to the rest of the body. The spinal cord is a long, tube-like structure that runs from the brain down through the center of the back. It carries messages between the brain and the rest of the body. Nerves are the long, thin fibers that carry messages to and from the brain and spinal cord. They are made up of bundles of nerve cells called neurons and are found throughout the body. Number 5. The respiratory system. The respiratory system is the body system that is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment. It consists of the lungs, trachea, and other structures. The lungs are the primary organs of the respiratory system. They are located in the chest and are responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The trachea, also known as the windpipe, is a tube-like structure that runs from the back of the throat to the lungs. It is lined with tiny hairs called cilia, which help to filter out debris from the air. Other structures of the respiratory system include the bronchi and bronchioles, which are tubes that branch off from the trachea and carry air to the alveoli, and the diaphragm, which is a sheet of muscle that separates the chest and abdomen and helps with breathing. The respiratory system plays a vital role in maintaining the body's oxygen supply and removing waste products. Number 6. The digestive system. The digestive system is the body system that is responsible for breaking down food into nutrients that can be absorbed and used by the body. It consists of the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. The mouth is where food enters the body and where the process of digestion begins. The mouth contains teeth, which mechanically break down food, and the tongue, which helps to mix food with saliva. The esophagus is a tube-like structure that connects the mouth to the stomach. It uses muscle contractions called peristalsis to move food down to the stomach. The stomach is a muscular sac that mixes and grinds food with stomach acid and enzymes. The small intestine is a long, narrow tube that is responsible for the majority of nutrient absorption. The large intestine is a wider tube that absorbs water and electrolytes from undigested food and forms feces, which are then eliminated from the body through the rectum and anus. The digestive system is essential for the body's ability to obtain and use nutrients from food. It also helps to eliminate waste products from the body. Number 7. The urinary system. The urinary system, also known as the renal system, is the body system that is responsible for the filtering of waste products from the blood and the excretion of these products from the body. It consists of the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs located in the back of the abdomen. They are responsible for filtering waste products, such as urea and creatinine. The ureters are tubes that carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. The bladder is a muscular sac that stores urine until it is eliminated from the body through the urethra. The urethra is a tube that carries urine out of the body. In addition to removing waste products, the urinary system helps to regulate the body's electrolyte balance and blood pressure, and plays a role in the production of red blood cells. Number 8. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is the body system that is responsible for the production and secretion of hormones, which are chemical messengers that regulate various bodily functions. It consists of glands, such as the thyroid, pancreas, and adrenal glands, which produce hormones and release them into the bloodstream. The thyroid gland is located in the neck and produces hormones that regulate metabolism, the body's process of converting food into energy. The pancreas is located behind the stomach and produces hormones, such as insulin, that help regulate blood sugar levels. The adrenal glands, which are located above the kidneys, produce hormones, such as adrenaline, that help the body respond to stress. The endocrine system helps to regulate metabolism, growth and development, and the body's response to stress and other stimuli. Number 9. The lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a body system that is responsible for the circulation of a clear fluid called lymph and the defense of the body against infection and disease. It consists of a network of vessels, called lymph vessels, that carry lymph throughout the body, as well as a number of lymphoid organs and tissues, such as the spleen, lymph nodes, and tonsils, which help to filter and remove harmful substances from the lymph. Lymph is a clear fluid that contains white blood cells called lymphocytes, which help to fight infection and disease. The lymph nodes are small, bean-shaped organs that are located throughout the body and contain immune cells that help to fight infection. The spleen is an organ located in the abdomen that filters and removes old or damaged red blood cells and platelets from the blood. The tonsils are small masses of lymphoid tissue located in the back of the throat that help to filter and remove bacteria and other harmful substances from the air we breathe. The lymphatic system plays a vital role in the body's immune system and helps to protect the body against infection and disease. It also helps to maintain fluid balance in the body by returning excess fluid from the tissues back into the bloodstream. Number 10. The reproductive system. The reproductive system is the body system that is responsible for the production and transportation of gametes, sex cells, and the reproduction of offspring. In males, the reproductive system consists of the testes, which produce sperm, and the penis, which transports sperm during sexual intercourse. In females, the reproductive system consists of the ovaries, which produce eggs, and the uterus, which provides a place for a fertilized egg to develop into a baby. The testes are a pair of male reproductive organs located in the scrotum. They produce sperm and the hormone testosterone, which helps to regulate male secondary sexual characteristics, such as facial hair and a deeper voice. The penis is a male reproductive organ that is responsible for the transportation of sperm during sexual intercourse. It is made up of spongy tissue that becomes engorged with blood during sexual arousal, causing it to become erect. The ovaries are a pair of female reproductive organs located in the pelvis. They produce eggs and the hormones estrogen and progesterone, which help to regulate the menstrual cycle and female secondary sexual characteristics, such as breast development and the appearance of body hair. The uterus is a female reproductive organ located in the pelvis. It is a muscular, pear-shaped organ that provides a place for a fertilized egg to develop into a baby. If fertilization does not occur, the uterus sheds its lining during menstruation. The reproductive system plays a vital role in the continuation of the human species. It allows for the production and transportation of gametes and the reproduction of offspring. In addition, hormones produced by the reproductive system play a role in the development and maintenance of secondary sexual characteristics and the regulation of the menstrual cycle. That's it for today. Hope you like this video.
And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to support us and help this channel grow. Thank you for watching.